Mirror Transition Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight Motion on your device. Once the application has loaded completely, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. After that, set your project settings according to your needs. When the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use. After importing the footage layers, adjust their positions in the timeline so they are arranged correctly for the transition. Now select the first footage and duplicate it. Once the duplicate has been created, select the duplicated footage layer and open the effect browser. Apply the copy background effect to the duplicated footage. After adding the effect, open the effect browser again, search for the mirror effect, and apply it to the duplicated layer. This effect creates the mirrored appearance that forms the basis of the transition. After applying the mirror effect, open the effect browser once more and add the wipe effect to the duplicated footage. Once the wipe effect has been added, open its settings and adjust the start value to 50%. This divides the mirrored layer and helps create the visual separation needed for the transition. Next, create the animation for the first footage. Select the original first footage and open the position option. Turn on the position keyframe to begin animating the layer. Set the first keyframe to any position that you prefer. After creating the first keyframe, move forward a few frames on the timeline and create a second keyframe. For the second keyframe, move the footage to the opposite position of the first keyframe. Once the keyframes are in place, open the graph editor and adjust the graph according to your preference. The graph controls how the movement flows between keyframes and can make the animation appear smoother. If you already have a preferred graph setting, you can use that instead. After completing the animation for the first footage, move to the second footage layer and repeat the same process. Then adjust the graph for the second footage in the same way. After applying the effects, you have successfully created a mirror transition in Alight Motion.